Hey guys, I'm Derek Sarno and I've partnered with Tesco to create some amazing plant-based recipes. Today we're doing one of my favorites, our wicked vegan nacho mac and cheese, and you're gonna love it. So we're gonna grab the cauliflower. We need about 150 grams, and this is a medium one, so we're gonna use probably about a third of this. Break up the florets, add the cauliflower right to the saucepan. Okay, so we need one small sweet potato, about 150 grams, and we're gonna peel this. I like to use the knife to peel. You can use a potato peeler. Quick chop. And we're gonna add the sweet potato right to the saucepan. Next, we're gonna hit the garlic, and just a quick smash and remove the skins. I just do a rough chop. And we're gonna chuck the garlic right into the saucepan here, and then we're gonna add the water just to cover. Bring this to a boil. All right, so it looks like it's come to a boil. What I want to do is remove the cover, lower it to a simmer, and then we're going to let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. All right, guys, so this looks done, and the way to tell is when the cauliflower and sweet potato break apart easy. So we're going to strain the vegetables, and we're going to save the liquid and use it for the sauce in a little bit. And be careful because it's really hot. We're going to be adding the veggies right to the blender. Add a little bit of the liquid, about 100 milliliters of the liquid. And I'm going to give this a quick pulse before I start adding the rest of the seasonings. It's about a teaspoon of smoked paprika, chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin. So then we're gonna add the free-from jalapeno chili cheddar, and I'll just break it up fine. You can grate it if you like. A teaspoon of miso for that nice umami flavor. And so next I'm gonna start blending it, and I'm gonna drizzle in the soy milk. So we're looking for a super silky consistency, and that's gonna make this dish perfect. So we're gonna add about 300 grams of pasta, and you can use any kind of pasta you want. So let's get the salsa going. We're gonna need 3 tomatoes, and we're looking for a fine dice on the tomatoes. 1 small red onion or half of a medium onion, which we have here. Chili, depending on how hot you like it, I'm gonna use 1 chili for this. You can use half or a quarter. A handful of coriander, half a lime. We're gonna juice this right into the mix. And then we're gonna season it to taste. All right, so make sure you mix this really well, and then we're gonna let it sit over here for a minute to let the flavors really blend in together while we strain the pasta. All right, so we strain the pasta, and I'm just gonna add it right back to the pot. All right, so now we're gonna add the sauce, coat it all nice and evenly. So I'm gonna heat it up just a little bit more, and I'm preheating a dish right now that we're gonna pour this into. This is super creamy, delicious right here. And we're gonna put this in our preheated dish to serve it up. All right, guys, so now's the fun part. Let's garnish the dish. And we'll start with the salsa. Look at that color, it looks gorgeous. And put your extra salsa in a side dish to enjoy with the meal. Tortilla chips, we just put them right in here just like this. So let's finish it off with a little bit of coriander. And there you have it. Our wicked vegan nacho mac and cheese, the ultimate comfort food. And for more amazing plant-based recipes, check out tesco.com/realfood.